Sarap, guys. Just oo. Na. Ang init. Perfect comfort food. What is up, everyone? Jflores here, and for today's episode, we're gonna make some easy potato cheese balls. So before we start, if cooking is your thing, if you wanna learn how to cook, please hit that subscribe button right now. I do upload constant week, maybe twice a week, cooking tutorials, and if you have some requests kung anong gusto nyong lulutuin ko the next time around, just feel free to comment that and I will feature that comment and lulutuin ko yan kung kaya sa powers ko. Without further ado, let's do this game.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So first, we're gonna boil the potatoes until fork tender, around 15 to 20 minutes. Once a knife or a fork goes through, this is ready. Let's peel this up. Make sure to peel the potatoes while it's still hot, so use a fork or a spoon or whatever you desire. So next, we're gonna mash our potatoes. If you don't have any potato masher, you could use a strainer. And just a tip, don't use your hand while it's still hot. Rather use some spatula. Just make sure to put some force in mashing the potatoes into the strainer. Now we'll just season this with salt and pepper, add in your butter, then mix very well. And you just made yourself some good old mashed potatoes. That looks so good. Tasty. Time to assemble our cheese balls. Just tuck in some cheese into your potatoes and form them into balls. We're also gonna make one with Spam. This is really good. You should try this. Repeat the process and we are ready to coat. time to coat these cheese balls or potato cheese balls. Just dredge them in flour, egg, then breadcrumbs. Let it set in the chiller for about 20 minutes. Then we'll fry these bad boys up. Just drop them into the preheated oil at 375 Fahrenheit. Fry until golden brown, and we are done. So that is it for today's episode, everyone. I hope you had fun. I hope you're gonna try it at home. And please, if you have some requests, please comment down below. Para lulutuin ko yan the next time. And I will feature your comment too. Follow me on Instagram, like my Facebook page. Never forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever you want. Till next time, God bless. Peace.